Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 easy ways to clean this disgusting toilet brush that you have laying around your house. At the end I'm going to show you my favorite, fastest way. It's going to smell like roses. It's going to smell like flowers. You're going to be impressed and you're going to be saying to yourself, why didn't I think of that? Really quick here. Now if you like these Clorox doohickeys here where you just take this little wand guy and then you stick it, you got to flip it over. I kind of don't love this. However, it does get real soapy and sudsy in there. When you do this, you never have to worry about cleaning a toilet brush. I love these and I hate them all at the same time. Let us know in that comments box below if you've used these Clorox disposable ones before. Also, if you put them in your garbage can after you dispose of them, you want to make sure your dogs or your kids don't think they're candy, because you don't want them gnawing on something like that, but it's very satisfying. That's very satisfying. It smells amazing. All right, simplest way to do this, and then we're gonna move on up to some of my favorite ways. Get yourself good old bleach, and all you have to do, a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna eyeball this. I'm just gonna go like this. By the way, I'm obsessed with all things bleach. Just smells amazing. And then you're gonna take your toilet brush. You don't have to put it in a bucket because then you gotta worry about cleaning the bucket. Let's just keep all the germs in one spot. And you're gonna let your toilet brush sit in there for as long as humanly possible. In fact, you could put it there overnight, and the next day you come back, your toilet brush will be nice and sanitized and looking like brand spanking new. As you can see on my brush, I have rust stains. I have a quick remedy for you in just a second. Bleach. Next one here. Have you ever thought of using a shaving cream on your toilet brush? I love this because the shaving cream will stay on the brush for quite a period of time. And you may be saying to yourself, why shaving cream, Andrea? It contains alcohol, and alcohol kills bacteria, which is what you want when it comes to cleaning your toilet brush. So this is fun, and shaving cream smells fresh and clean, and then when you come back the next week or the next couple days to clean, it's going to clean the inside of there as well. You can clean your toilet all in one. So it's the most bang for your buck, and you can get shaving cream at the Dollar Tree for $1. Shaving cream is a great alternative if you do not like the smell of bleach. Let's move on to the next one here, shall we? Now this is going to help with some of those rust stains. You want to get yourself some baking soda and some vinegar. By the way, I would not mix vinegar and bleach. I would not mix anything with bleach, okay? Okay, we got that under control. So we're just going to get some vinegar in our toilet bowl right here. Again, we're not putting this in a bucket and having to do all that. If you've cleaned your toilet, this is gonna work just fine. I'm gonna take some of this baking soda, I'm gonna dump it in here. The combination of these two things are like magic. Gets all nice and sudsy and foamy. All right, you're gonna take your toilet brush. You can clean your toilet if you need to, but you're gonna let your brush sit in there for, again, as long as possible to clean the brush, kill the bacteria, and then hopefully help with some of those rust stains. I'm not gonna let this sit because I need to show you the next and final bonus tip when it comes to cleaning your toilet brush. Now all these methods to clean your toilet brush are absolutely amazing, remarkable, and I love them. Now what I like to do to dry your toilet brush is you just hold on to the top of your lid here and pull this down, and then you're gonna trap it on the inside right here. Now if you're looking for something super quick, because these can get really smelly, maybe you don't have bleach on hand, maybe you don't have baking soda and vinegar, and maybe you're a weirdo for using shaving cream on your toilet brush. This is what I absolutely love. A little Febreze. This is not just for your house and your fabric, my friend. Why does this work so well? Well, it makes it smell lovely and wonderful. But also, let's just take a real quick here look at the back. What's the #1 ingredient? Water, and then what? Alcohol. So it's killing that bacteria, and it smells absolutely amazing. You can also put this in your toilet. I will from time to time, just to spice it up a little bit. Now, if you're looking for some fun and clever shaving cream hacks outside of this one right here, click this video on screen now, give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the newsletter in the description box, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.